Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, I'm not, and that's defamation.
I'm sorry? I'm asking you a question. I'm not telling you.
No, sir, I do not work for the police.
Are you tired of government overreach and eroded freedoms? At tac-us.org, we're fighting back. We're the Transparency Accountability Coalition, a non-profit defending your constitutional rights. No partisanship, just principle. From protecting free speech to demanding transparency, we're here for you. Visit tac-us.org to learn more and join the movement. tac-us.org, because your rights deserve a voice. Act now.
Yeah. What is up, everybody? This is the best walk of shame of 2025 so far, by far. This is a video from Sean Porter. Sean Porter's up in Maryland. He's known for making crazy signs and really exercising his free speech to the max. Well, they tried to do what Clearwater, Florida does to us, kick us out, trespass us. Well, he sued, and he went up against the town's attorneys and all the bureaucrats. And guess what happened? Let's see.
Here we go. All right, citizens.
How you doing, Mr. Porter?
Good. I'm just doing a coverage.
My body camera's audio video recording. Okay?
Good for you.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
I'm just recording public officials in a public place.
Yes, sir. Same.
All right, guys. So anyway, these are the losers. They lost to a guy with a 9th grade education. And 2 attorneys couldn't beat a guy wearing a sweatshirt, even with their fancy law degrees from DeVry University and Strayer Online. John Barr, he testified he didn't know if citizens had a right to complain about government officials. So there go the losers. Lost everything to a guy with a 9th grade education, tried to get a peace order to enjoin a citizen from free speech at public meetings because they don't like it and they know they're all going to lose their next election, especially Derek Harvey. So these are the people who wouldn't vote to rezone land for a homeless shelter in the county and a drug rehab center. And these are the police that guard the paparazzi in Washington County. So them saying they need a peace order was actually perjury, because they have sheriff protection everywhere they go, as you can clearly tell. And city police is on the job too. So anyway, guys, this is what it looks like when a bunch of bullshit bureaucrats lose to a guy with a 9th grade education wearing a hoodie in a half-day district court peace order proceeding. Now, attorney Aaron Weiss and Zach Kiefer both lost to me, and they're the county attorney and assistant county attorney. They couldn't even beat a guy with a 9th grade education. Unbelievable. Oh, and a potty mouth. So anyway, these guys are losers. They have no idea what they're doing, and they can't do their job. Hey, Sheriff Deputy, real quick.
Are you tired of government overreach and eroded freedoms? At tac-us.org, we're fighting back. We're the Transparency Accountability Coalition, a non-profit defending your constitutional rights. No partisanship, just principle. From protecting free speech to demanding transparency, we're here for you. Visit tac-us.org to learn more and join the movement. tac-us.org, because your rights deserve a voice. Act now.